Am I wearing this in every single video? Yes. The last video that I posted, I was wearing this a whole bunch, and it was actually like 5 different days, but it made it look like it was all one day. Anyway, today is Thursday. Did not know that. Everything is blurring together. What am I doing today? I just finished up a comic for The Lily, which is I don't know, how do you describe it? Publication of the Washington Post. And so I sent that off, and that should be up in a week or two. I did a giveaway a couple days ago for the prints that I showed in my last video, these guys. And the person who bought it was super nice, or who won it was super nice, and ordered another print for me, which is this one. So I'm sending that to them. And business card. And then I've been thinking a lot about how I'm packaging things, and I'm really kind of in a weird in-between place right now because I don't want to use too much excess material because it's just a waste sometimes, but I do want it to look nice. I'm trying to get through these clear bags. They are kind of biodegradable, but I don't like using the plastic, so I'm going to look into an alternative after these are done, but I have quite a few to go. But yeah, so I got to pack up that one little print package. Got done the majority of what I needed to this week, so I think I'll be working a little bit on more drawings for the kids' picture book that I'm slowly working on, and maybe just a fun painting just for fun. Favorite face is maybe this one, because it's like that meme where it's like, I do not see it. Do you like this one as well? Inspired by Mike, my boyfriend. Hello, it's Friday. I have to run to the post office today to drop off some orders. Thank you to everybody who ordered something. I have to work more on the kids' book illustrations. That's actually proving to be really kind of difficult. I've never worked on a kids' book before, really, so I think it's harder than I thought it would be to take somebody else's idea and illustrate it, but like, and I've done that before, but like this book kind of like lists a bunch of objects and places and things, and I feel like I have to include all of that in one illustration, so it's kind of hard because I can't just like take certain things out or put things in. Well, I guess I can put things in, but I can't really leave certain things out, you know, and I can't just like use my discretion. I have to include it. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's an interesting challenge. And it's fun, but it's also kind of frustrating, so we'll see. Okay, I'm going to the post office. I haven't started my car in weeks. Let's see. I'm sure it'll be fine. Do I have any gas? No. A little bit. I refuse to put on real shoes. This is what's gonna happen. But I did put on a different sweater today. So it's a different day, different sweater. Okay, let's go. All right. Down the hatch. Okay. I did it. Won't go outside for another, I'm gonna say 3 weeks. It's Tuesday. Just wanted to show you what I got in the mail today. They are postcards for my Patreon postcard club this month from moo.com, and I think they came out pretty cute. Here they are. They're double-sided with similar illustrations on the front and the back, but like different moods. Here's this first one where it says, "I'm doing better than I thought." And then the other side says, "Why do I feel so small?" So depending on your mood, you can flip them. And if you're anything like me, it's constantly flipping. I never know what's going on in my brain. Sorry if my chair's a little squeaky. I don't know if you can hear that. But yeah, so I'm gonna be sending these out to my patrons today or tomorrow. I'm gonna pack them right up, so I'm excited about that. Yeah. That was So I just finished painting these couple of cards for one of my patrons on Patreon for my Well Shucks tier, which is essentially where I send a little hand-painted like mini painting. So this is 5x5, one a month. So yeah, that's fun to do. I'm gonna send these out in the mail with everything else tomorrow.
I love you.
It's thick.
Hey, yo.
Be safe. I'll see you later. Love you. Ready? Yeah. No. Ooh. Yes. It looks good. I hope it tastes good. Oh, hi. Thank you for watching my video. I don't know what to say.
Keep going.
Okay, keep going. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already.
Keep going.
Like and subscribe, please. Okay, what else should I say?
You love them.
I love you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here for me. I hope I am here for you.
I'm crying.
Okay, bye. I don't know. Okay, and give it a few minutes.
A few minutes.
Seconds. Oh, my eyes are actually tearing up. They're like burning right now.
Because you're emotional.
I know. Oh. Is it gonna turn into a tear? It might. Is it focusing?
Yeah.
Do you see the tear?
Wait, hold on.
To those men who are going into the
Is it
hot
falling?
spot,
Oh. There's just a little glimmer.
Just a glimmer. Oh well, that's as much as they're gonna get. All right.